Pangundang na lagi. Katulog na. He's still awake. He's still awake.
Get
It's
something
in my
for
back.
superstitious.
Ayaw lagi kay galit ko. Don't.
Wow! Pwede na ako nakakagdan. Alex, dan ako ani.
Come on. Kani? Come on. Kani? Hi. How? Comment guys. Comment. I will buy stand on my phone so I can. Ouch! My phone is always dropped. How is my 6 viewers watching? What's this? Why I can't hide this? It's always. Thank you so much. Buksan mo, papasukin ako. Oh.
Gani na ay.
Thank you for the 5 like that. Thank you so much. Ma'am, see is you still there?
Your account.
Oh my god.
Next. Sorry.
My live now is until 20 minutes only. Oh my goodness. My goodness. Hello. How are you there? What will we do? Buksan mo, papasukin ako. It's cold because we're using fan. I will show you my fan. Fan in my top on my head. And another side there. We have there. We don't use our air condition because it's too expensive and the electric bill. So I'm using fan. Hi to my 8 viewers. Hello. How are you? Someday I will buy my live streaming chair because it costs a lot. I can't afford right now. So next time when I go live, I'm sitting on this. It's nice to have a white cover on bed, but I have my son. It's easy to get dirt, so now I use colored one like this. Oh, because of my son is yet getting. Oh, puyo ka maigo akong ano. Look at that. She's disturbing. Oh. Ayaw ba? She's playing on because my son is making jello.
Yon.